Thank you programmers, because of you I reached 800 subscribers. Now I got 800 friends. Thank you my friends, and this time I'm gonna give away a very helpful and kind of expensive gift for you. And I can't believe I'm gonna do this, but I saved money for like 3 months and this is really gonna happen. This is not like technical Guruji. This is the real giveaway. Even this is not a giveaway. This is just a gift for my subscriber. One of you subscriber are gonna get the Asus ROG Strix Edge 370F Gaming LGA 1111 3000 series DDR4 motherboard worth 15,499. I bought this product like 3 days ago and I used this motherboard, and I swear this is a very awesome motherboard. If you are gamer, this is the very powerful motherboard. This is just made for gamer. Now if you are programmer, you are gonna love this product. If you want to buy this product, link is in the description. Now in this time I'm not gonna choose the random subscriber. In this time you have to write a very exciting and out of the box idea Python code in the comment box under 10 lines only. If I like your code, if your code is out of the box, if your code is different, then I'm gonna choose your code. I'm gonna show your code in the next video, and then you are the lucky winner. You are gonna get the Asus ROG Strix gaming motherboard. And please, if you don't know what to write and if you just write any random comment, I'm not gonna choose you, because I bought this product very expensive. Now some of you guys are rich as, and for that 15,499 is nothing, but I do hard work for buy some product. Now let's talk about Asus ROG Strix. Product got 1 battery, RAM size is 1 TB, maximum RAM size, storage capability 64 GB, RAM, memory technology DDR4, computer memory type DDR4 SDRAM, processor count 1, processor socket 1151, chipset type Intel H370, voltage 12 volts, wattage 60s. Now let's talk about this product. This is just a motherboard. You have to insert the processor. Now this product's memory storage capacity is 64 GB, RAM type is DDR4 SDRAM, processor count 1. Now this motherboard support i5, i6, i7. This is the best processor if you are gamer. So in my opinion, you have to buy i5 for this motherboard. Link is in the description. Now you can see the gaming using this motherboard, and you know Asus is popular for gaming, and gaming CPU and computer is powerful than anyone. So that's about Asus ROG Strix. If you wanna buy this, link is in the description, and again you have to code out of the box and comment me. If you win, in the next video I'm gonna show your name in my video, and then I'm gonna courier this product to your home. But that was about Asus ROG Strix. Now I wanna thank you all of the subscriber, because when you subscribe my YouTube channel, it means I teach you something. I teach you some valuable lesson, and when you subscribe my YouTube channel, you join the all-in-one code family. 800 subscriber is a big amount for me, and thank you for your support. Thank you, you motivate me. And I'm not gonna say I'm a big programmer, I know everything. Really, I don't know shit. But you think I'm gonna give a shit about this? When I teach you, I learn too. So thanks for teaching me, bro. So that was my giveaway video. If you like this channel, just like this, share this channel to other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video, subscribe my YouTube channel. So that is it for today's guys. Don't forget to code and paste that code in my comment box. And again, this was not a fake giveaway video.